तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दं पिञ्जल्कमिश्रतुलसीमकरन्दवायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषां संक्षोभमक्षरजुषामपि चित्ततन्वो. It's only the matter of wanting. What is my desire? How big is my desire? And is it exclusively, is this the only desire that you have? To be in loving service to Sri Radha Govinda? Then so be it. That's only then one would get the love of Godhead, a loving devotional service to Sri Radha and Krishna. Always, sada, sada. That's when we get great attachment to the Nama. Because it is with this attachment to the Nama, there will be absorption in Krishna. Attachment and then absorption in Krishna, absorption in the seva, loving service of Krishna. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhavamahadavagni nirvapanam Shreya kairava chandrika vitaranam vidyavadhu jivanam Anandambudhivarthanam pratipadam purna mritasvatanam sarvatmasnapanam param vijayate Sri Krishna Samkirtanam. We are always living with Krishna. We are always being with Krishna. We don't realize that. We look here and there. We turn around, look here and there. But whatever that is coming from the soul is exclusively meant for Krishna. Yeah. So when we realize this and we want to be with Krishna at all times, then there will be this attachment to the Nama. That's the thing that causes attachment to the Nama, because the Nama keeps us with Krishna. You know why we don't have attachment to the Nama of Bhagavan? Why the mind goes here and there? When Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. When we are chanting, because we want to be with something else. We want to be with someone else, not with Krishna. When our desire is only to be with Krishna, when our desire is only loving service to Bhagavan, then mind will develop great attachment for Nama. Because it is through this Nama we are with Krishna. Namna makari bahuda nija sarva shaktis tatra arpita niyamita smaranena kalam etadrishi tava kripa bhagavan mamapi durdaiva midrishamiha janina anuragaham. How can our desire become how can our desire only be to be with Krishna in loving seva? How can Jiva, which is always distracted and is under the influence of more, come to this point that the only desire is to be with you, dear Lord, to be with you in love, in loving seva, nothing else. At any given point of time, this is the only desire I have, a loving service to you, be with you in loving service. That's not an ordinary desire. That's not an ordinary desire. That comes when we hear from somebody whose desire is only that, whose life is only that, who are being with Krishna in great love at all times. When we hear from them, when we develop attachment from them, when we have the anuraga and attachment from them, oh, This is how they place us in the world of Krishna. They not only give their strong desire to us, their desire becomes our desire. Their raga becomes our raga. Their mood becomes our mood. In this way, when there is attachment to this Premi Bhakta Sadhguru, that is the way where our desire, it can be only love of Godhead, Krishna Prema, loving devotional service to Bhagavan. Then we will see, oh, there is no other way to get there other than getting attached to the Rama, having anuraga to the Nama, because Nama is not different from Bhagavan. This realization will come only when our only desire is to be with Krishna in loving seva. Trinadapi sunichena taroreva sahishnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sada harim. Nadanam na janam na sundarim kavitam va jagadisha kamayem. Mama janmani janmani ishware bhavatad bhakti ahaitukitvaim. Ainanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishamei bhavam budhavam. Kripaya tava pada pankaja stita dhuli sadrisham vichintaya. By always being with the Nama, we are always being with Krishna. And then Krishna reveals the Rupa. The Nama reveals the Rupa. By being with Nama, we are being with Krishna, and Krishna is right there. Nanda Tanuja Krishna is right here. So much present. These pure devotees, they are always with Bhagavan. They actually see Bhagavan. They see Krishna. It's not that they see everything in relationship with Krishna. They actually see Krishna. They see Krishna. They see the pastimes of Krishna. They could be walking with us, talking to us, but they are with Krishna, seeing Krishna. How beautiful. Nayanam galadashrudharaya vadanam gadgadarudhaya giram. Pulakair nichitair vapukada tava nama grihane bhavishyati. Yugayitam nimishena chakshusha pravarshyayitam. Shunyayitam jagat sarvam govinda virahe namihe. Aslishya padaratam pinastumam. Adarshanam marmahatam karotuvam. Yada tatha vidadhatavulam pato. Matprananathastu sayevana paraha. What is it that is not Krishna? What is it that is not the holy name? Everything, everyone, in all directions, at all times. The past is Krishna, present is Krishna, future is Krishna, 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 Krishna. At existential level, it is Krishna. At the emotional level, it is all about Krishna. Everything is about the holy name. Everything is to the holy name. Holy name is Krishna, being with Krishna in loving service, in love. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. There is no other truth. This is the only truth.